If you've ever tried to build a website, you know it's hard. You start with a blank page and spend hours adjusting layouts, fixing spacing, choosing fonts, and trying to make everything look fine and consistent. The complexity grows if you build an e-commerce site, adding product pages, or add multilingual support. That's why more and more people start with website builders like Webflow, Wix, or Shopify, as it is easier. Today, we'll show you how to use AI-powered Builder to build a complete e-commerce website from scratch, following a modern website building workflow. Let's start. Get website ideas with AI. Let's open an AI-powered website builder. You can enter only a site topic here. Enter the luxury watch online store into the topic field. In a few seconds, the AI generates ideas with a complete website structure. We already have a homepage with navigation, a hero section, service sections, etc., and all the pages with product-focused layouts. If you don't like the results, you can regenerate ideas and get a new structure. This would normally take hours in a traditional website builder to get a purpose-driven layout. This is a strong starting point to refine the design. AI design and layout. Now let's look at the design. Every section is built using AI-generated blocks that are fully responsive right out of the box, aligned and visually consistent. Instead of adjusting every detail manually, you can modify entire sections instantly. You can swap blocks, change the color scheme, update fonts, tweak spacing, and refine typography, all visually and updates across the entire website design. This is what makes AI in web design so powerful. It removes repetitive work and keeps everything consistent automatically. AI content. Now let's talk about content. One of the hardest parts of building a website is the body copy, writing copy, headlines, descriptions, and product texts. With AI-generated content, you can simply describe the business and instantly get headings, paragraphs, and polished website copy you can quickly customize. This works for landing pages, product pages, and entire sections of the site. So instead of hiring a copywriter or spending hours writing, the AI does it in seconds. E-commerce setup. Now let's turn this into a real e-commerce website. We can add products, organize them into categories, and generate product pages instantly. Each product comes with a structured layout: images, descriptions, pricing, and call to action buttons. The shopping cart and checkout flow are already integrated. For payments, connect PayPal or Stripe so customers can start buying right away. Compared to the steep learning curve of Shopify, this no-code workflow allows you to launch a professional shop much faster while maintaining a high-end, scalable foundation. Multilingual with AI. Now let's make the site global. With AI-powered multilingual support, we can switch languages instantly. The AI translates content, keeps the layout intact, and creates structured versions of the site for each language. No duplicated pages, no complicated workflows, just one website, multiple languages. This is traditionally complex in systems like WordPress and other CMS platforms. Final result. And that's it. In about 10 minutes, we went from a blank page to a fully functional AI-generated website. We have design, content, e-commerce functionality, and even multilingual support, all created with minimal effort. This is what the future of website building looks like. If you're learning how to build websites, work with website builders, or explore no-code tools, subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.